Things to do in Phuket.
I'm in Old Phuket Town.
If you're looking for things to do in Phuket and are interested in boutique shopping, architecture or history, then Old Phuket Town is the place to visit. Let's take a walk exploring the main streets and shops of Old Phuket Town. Hi, I'm Linda. I'm here to help you plan your travels. Old Phuket Town is about a 45-minute drive from Patong Beach or Coron Beach, or 1 hour from the Phuket airport. The historical part of Phuket is not huge. The main street to be on is Thelong Road, and then the surrounding blocks. It can be explored on foot in half a day, but allow more time for browsing the shops and enjoying the food. Old Phuket Town has Sino-Portuguese architecture and colourful shops. I love the bright and different colours of the buildings. I love the bright array of colours in the shops, beautiful clothing, bags, hats and accessories. The famous Thelong Road is the place to be. There is plenty of shopping to do and it is an Instagram photo heaven. The architecture is a mix of Europe and Chinese, known as Sino-Portuguese. Phuket has a history in tin mining. These buildings are over 100 years old from the mining times. This corner is Instagram heaven. Everyone is getting their perfect photos here. This is a little restaurant on a motorbike. Mobile. I love it. I came to Old Phuket Town by a taxi from Coron Beach. It took 45 minutes and cost 650 baht. The taxi was booked from the hotel. There were a couple of shops where everything is blue and white. Fascinating. Soy Romani used to be the red light district of town.
I'm not a donut person, but I could not walk past John Donut. Those cream brulee donuts just looked amazing and tasted amazing. The top was perfectly crispy. The middle was perfectly creamy and tasty and vanilla. Check it out if you're in Old Phuket Town. Check out John Donut.
You can see Monkey Hill from here. I went walking up Monkey Hill to see the monkeys and the view from the top viewpoint. It's a long, steep walk, but it's worth it. I stayed at the Casablanca Boutique Hotel on Phuket Road, just around the corner from Thel Lang Road. I only stayed one night. It was a perfect location for exploring Old Phuket Town. In the evening, the lights in Thel Lang Road are so pretty, and a lot of the shops are still open for more shopping. And there are lots of restaurants for amazing food. Happy travelling out there.